Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar Canadian is in a third wave. Now, our job now definitely should be to determine whether this is an A or 1, or whether this is a B or a 2, and whether we are currently in a wave 3 or a wave C. If it is a wave C, it could turn at any one of these fib levels, anywhere from like the 123% up. If it's a wave 3, it could literally just keep on bouncing and making lower lows, lower highs on this time frame and continuing down. So either way, even if it is a C or a 3, I don't really see any reason to say it's over yet. If it does, double bottom and, break structure to the upside, then yeah, definitely probably the end of a wave C and probably going to continue up. Otherwise, definitely looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. Unfortunately, I mean, the strategy right now is to be patient. Either you're already short from yesterday or maybe scalping this morning, or you're waiting patiently for another three-way pullback in order to go short again for potentially the continuation of either a wave 3 downtrend or a wave C downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.